half for half around the house. Hey, and today we are going to try to cut this master lock in half. It's been sitting in my toolbox for a decade. I don't know the combination anymore, so we're going to grab our favorite Chicago Electric oscillating tool with a metal blade on it, and we will see if we can cut that baby in half. Let's see what happens. Now make sure to wear your eye, ear, groin, face protection. You are responsible for your own appendages. Let's get comfortable here. Let me throw my ear cuffs on. Now this is a stainless steel covering, I believe. It's not very thick, probably 20 gauge. Let's see what we can do. Maybe 18 gauge? I don't know. All right, well, we're definitely through the casing. Let's put a little more oil on this. It's smoking pretty good. This is just 30 weight oil that I have here. This die-cast knob is giving me trouble because it's rotating every time I move, so I'll be a little more, I'll look out for that a little more. Let's see how the blades, the blades are still there. Let's continue. Now I'll probably fast forward through some of this, so hold on tight. All right, well, I don't know. I might not switch that blade. It's still, let's give our camera, look at that blade. It's still in really good shape. I'll put a direct click on that you go down underneath and get the same blades that I have here. They're available on Amazon, pretty good price. I imagine a central pivot point, and this lock is very hard, so it's going to take a second to go through. See if we can get there. Get it back in the groove here. I might throw a little more oil on there too. Get it back in the groove there. There we are. Now the fur's flying, huh? Okay. You did it. Yeah. That worked really good. I've got parts all over the floor, but there it is. The oscillating tool. Let me take my hearing protection off. There we go. Now I'm not yelling at you. That definitely worked. This thing still does. Oh, there it goes. I was going to say it still doesn't want to open. That's one tough lock. We had a lot of problems in the middle there getting through the central, I guess, pivot area or axle in the middle here. But yeah, cut through it nice. There's the inside. Everybody take a look. Looks like that's die cast. I don't know if that's zinc. I know the knob was zinc. Let me grab the knob a sec. Let me grab the knob a sec, as they say. Let me re-grab the knob. There we go. So indeed, it does a great job cutting it. Now I'm not going to try, this is case hardened. I do not have anything that's going to cut through this other than an abrasive wheel. So we'll leave that for another day. But it definitely destroyed this lock. Well, that was fun. I didn't know if it would do it or not, and sure enough, it did. Grab some of these other parts a second. Some more parts right there. Just full of fun. Just full of fun. Well, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's always fun to cut stuff up, and you guys can watch. So this is Hap for Hap Around the House. Again, any tools that we use will be down underneath in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, consider subscribing to our channel, and remember to hit that like button. It's a free way to support the channel. And we will see you next time on Hap for Hap Around the House.